How to create basic animation in After Effects. First, create the composition. Now determine the size of the comb. I have taken my size. You can make it in any size you want. Give the appropriate name to the composition. Import footage or PNG images. Drag the footage or PNG image into the timeline. Be sure to keep the anchor point, as the angle at which the animation will occur depends on the anchor point. Make sure the size and position of the footage or PNG image. Press the R button on your keyboard. A rotation option will appear in which the movement of the object is circular. Check the object rotation amount by clicking on the stopwatch icon.
That's overtime.
All your keyframes are perfectly placed. Now select another object rotation and position option. You can press the R key. For that, press Shift plus the keyboard key together. As above action, you need to first click on the stopwatch icon and then ensure the position of the object. Once we have finished our animation, we finally want to give it a rotation. The action is the same as shown earlier.
That's overtime.
Your animation is done but still not smooth, so select all the keyframes of the second object and right-click as shown in the video. Choose the easy option from Keyframe Assistant. Activate the motion option to make your animation look natural. Make a nice background as shown in the video. Your animation is ready.